Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to cook pork chop in a slow cooker. In this pot here, it's a slow cooker. I have 6 pork chop. Yeah, in this bowl here, I have 1 can of cream of mushroom. Dump it in there. This kind of mushroom, it's been drained. I have to put it there. After I mix this, this is 1 packet of dry onion soup. Pour in there. And half a cup of water. I pour 1 can of mushroom on top of the pork chop. Oops. And then the mushroom, the cream of mushroom mixture. Pour it on top. Put the lid on. Pour it on high. And it will be in here for 5 hours. See you later. My pork chop, it's already cooked right from my slow cooker. There's mushroom in it and condensed cream of mushroom, and it's gonna be good. Supper is ready. So thank you guys for watching my video. You have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe and share and comments. Bye-bye.